Hey everybody, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slow motion and fast forwarded videos in Resolve 17. Okay, here I am in Resolve 17. I'm on the edit page, and I have this clip right here, and it's just a video of a person running. And we want to slow it down since this is pretty fast. We want to make like a little slow motion video. So what we're going to do is select the clip and right click and then go to Retime Controls, which is this one right here. You can click that and these controls will pop up. Another way to do this is press Control R and that'll also bring up the Retime Controls. So here on the Retime Controls, here there's a little arrow right next to 100%. So this tells you that the clip is currently at 100% speed, which is normal speed. So we're going to click on this little drop down arrow, go to change speed, and I'm going to select 50%. So this is half speed. And there we go. It's going to make the clip longer since this is slowed down. And if we watch this clip now, let's take a look. It is a little bit slower. Now let's make it even slower. So I'm going to click on that drop down arrow again, go to change speed, and I'm going to change it to like 10%. There we go. It makes the clip like super long. Just look at how long it is now, all the way over here since this is very slow. All right, and now if you look at the video, it looks terrible because of the frame rate, and it's so slow that it's just jumpy like this. And you obviously don't want your video to look like this because it looks really bad. So we can fix this up a little bit if you go over to the inspector over here, go to Retime and Scaling, and if you don't see the settings under it, just click on Retime and Scaling and it should pop up right here. So here it says Retime Process, change it from Project Settings to Optical Flow. It should render for a little bit. I'm going to make this clip a little bit smaller since look at how long it is. It's going to take a little while. So I'm going to make it about 15 seconds long. There we go. So now let's take a look at how it looks. And it's a lot smoother, but it's like a ghosting effect. It looks like jello. And it's not good either. So we can fix this by going back to the inspector. And here it says Motion Estimation. Change that to Speed Warp. Let it render for a little bit. And now let's take a look. It fixed it a little bit. It's still a little bit of jello effect, but that's kind of the best you can do since this wasn't shot at a high frame rate. This is what we were before, and this is what we're at now. It looks a lot better. So that's how you do slow motion. So what about fast forward? We want to make this clip faster than what it was before. Well, the same thing. Click on the clip, and I'm going to do Control R to bring up Retime Controls. And here where it says 10%, I'm going to click on this little drop down arrow and change speed. And I'm going to change it to 200%, which is twice as fast. And you see it makes the clip very small, so I'm just going to make it longer. There we go. Now this clip is twice as fast. So if we take a look. Oh, look at that. And we can go ahead and turn off the optical flow if you want. And if you want to go very crazy with this, you can just change the speed again. And I'm going to change it to 800%. Wow. Yeah, that's the longest this clip goes. So now it's only like 1 second long. This is how fast it is. And if we watch it, I'm going to turn on the loop mode and take a look. Play. Oh, this guy is just floating. He's not even running. He's just flying. Look at how fast this is. All right, let's stop that because that kind of makes you dizzy. So that's pretty much it. That's how you make slow motion and fast forwarded videos in Resolve 17. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next video.